Why should you exhibit at OCALICON 2019? Lynn Tramontano, exhibitor.
This is my event of the year. I don't know why you wouldn't come here to be an exhibitor. If you have a passion for people with special needs, or if you have a passion for just being a part and making an impact on your community, you need to be here.
Video clips of people visiting exhibit booths in a large conference hall. Stella Studer, exhibitor.
I love it. This is our first time here, and it has been so great meeting so many people. You can find any kind of resource that you can imagine.
Exhibitors interact with attendees. Katie Socher, exhibitor.
Families, parents, students, administrators, school personnel.
A man walks with his guide dog to a table where a man seated in a wheelchair greets them. Heidi Kelly, exhibitor.
We are here at OCALICON all the way from Alaska, connecting people with autism and the community and the hope that makes a difference.
Heidi chats with attendees. Camera pans across the entire exhibit hall. Exhibit with us, OCALICON 2019, November 20th through the 22nd, Columbus, Ohio, ocalicon.org.